Meaning of delicate.
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 Delicate. The word delicate can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to something that is fragile or easily broken, or it can describe something that requires fine precision, such as delicate surgery or delicate machinery. It can also be used to describe someone who is sensitive or easily offended. In general, delicate implies a need for careful handling or treatment in order to avoid damage or negative consequences. Overall, delicate suggests a sense of vulnerability and a need for caution.